Hello, everyone. Here's a guide here for world history on how to operate during these school closures. So at this time, what we do not have to worry about is the common assessment scheduled for March 19th. This is not going to be done at home, and it will not be done the first 3 days back. I want to see you, and I want to have time to review first. As far as the last day for redos and late work scheduled for March 17th, this will be pushed back until we return as well. I'll give you a date for that when we know exactly when we are returning. So how class will run. Check in every day on Google Classroom. Each day will have an assignment. Directions will be there via video similar to this one. And you must submit your work each day. This is how I plan to do it. Attendance. Now I know during class on the last day, I was very flexible. Upon reflection, I decided that I would like everyone to submit their work by 3 o'clock each day, even if it's not completed. I need to see evidence that you've worked on it for at least 30 minutes. And again, to submit work, it simply means that you hit the turn in button, that blue one on the upper right corner. If you have any questions, email me. I'll be by my computer from 8 to 12, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Lastly, when work is returned to you, do not hit the teacher comments as resolved when fixing classwork. Leave them there, make the correction, and then turn the document back in again. Lastly, here's a reminder of the flexible schedule that Ms. Bingert sent out. I strongly encourage you to stick to this. It'll help provide a routine, which will make things much, much easier for you. Other than that, be well.